In this video, I'll show you how to load the ink in your HP DeskJet 2842e printer, and also show you how to replace the ink cartridge in case you already have some ink installed inside your printer. So let's get started. I'll put links in the description if you want to get, by the way, the cartridges that are compatible with this specific model. So check the links, and you also support my channel by doing this. This printer, by the way, takes the HP 67 or 67XL for the color cartridge, like this one, and also the same thing, HP 67 for the black ink cartridge. Also works with the XXL. Make sure that the printer is connected to a wall outlet. Then turn the printer on by pressing once on the power button. If your printer was already on, well, just don't do any of these steps. And then we need to open this door over here. Small opening here, and lower this drawer. Then if we take a look inside, we're going to notice that there is another door. Again, put your finger above and pull down to open this door. After a few seconds, the ink cartridge slots will be presented to you right in the middle. You just have to wait about 3 seconds, the way you just saw. Now it's very important that you place the color ink cartridge and the black one in the right spots. You cannot interchange them. The color one, the one with the magenta top, goes on the left side, and the black ink cartridge goes always on the right side. So let's start with this first one, the magenta top cartridge, which is the color cartridge. First thing, we need to remove this orange tape over here. Make sure you don't touch with your fingers these contacts and the print head. All right, don't touch them with your fingers. Since we're here, we can do the same on the black ink cartridge. Now take your ink cartridge, again this one is the color one, we're going to place it on the left side. You just have to glide it like that, okay? Just glide it. It will rest in this position, and now take your finger and push it up until it clicks, like that. Do the same thing for the black one that goes on the right side. I know I'm repeating myself, but you should really not mix them. So just glide it, okay? Glide it like this, and then with your thumb, any finger, just push it up until it clicks. Like that. If in the future you want to replace them and you want to remove them, simply put your finger on the top of the cartridge and press down to unclick it, and then drag it out. Okay, it's a very easy process. With your finger on the top, push down and remove. Let me put them back quickly here. Once this is done, close the lid and close the other lid, and you should be good to go. When you replace your ink cartridges, or again, if it's the first time you do this, it may take up to 1 minute until you're able to print. So this is it. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below if this video was useful, subscribe, and also check my links in the description if you want to get some ink for your printer.